Take a moment to check out the 2022 Jeep Wrangler. The Jeep Wrangler, the rugged and iconic, adventure-loving four-wheel drive open-air SUV with the power and capabilities you need for your outdoor lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, V6 cylinder engine, backup camera, four-wheel drive, keyless start, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, steering wheel audio controls. There's nothing like that feeling of wind in your hair freedom. Get into the Wrangler today.